Hey guys, it's Danielle and Emily from the Luxor Real Estate Group.
And in case you missed our listing last week in New Sudbury under 400,000, don't worry, we have another one this week.
So before we kick off this tour, we gotta show you a few key features about this property.
Number one, this amazing yard.
Number two, shingles were done in 2022, and this home has windows that are less than 10 years old.
And number three, the furnace is only 2 years old as well. If you can see yourself enjoying this backyard with your family, give us a call at Luxor Real Estate Group.